In this video, we'll show you how to install an eSIM on an Apple device with iOS 16. Before starting the install, you need to have a strong internet connection, ideally from a Wi-Fi network or a good 4G connection, an eSIM-compatible device, and a device that is network unlocked. Now, to install your eSIM, open the camera on your device, scan the QR code, tap Mobile Plan, and follow the steps on the screen. When the Activate eSIM screen appears, tap Continue. This can take up to 10 minutes. Once activated, tap Done. Once installed, you'll see your eSIM register on a network. Now you need to configure your eSIM preferences. First, set your default line to primary and tap Continue. Next, set iMessage and FaceTime to primary and tap Continue. And finally, set mobile data to your new eSIM. In this example, it's called Business. To be able to use your eSIM, you also need to enable data roaming. Go to your device settings, then tap Mobile or Cellular Data, select the eSIM and switch the data roaming toggle to on. Your eSIM is now set up and ready to go. Thanks for watching. If you need help with anything else, head to the support section of our website.